All right, today we're gonna bring essential tools for aquascaping. All right, this is perfect if you want to start your own aquarium. They give you long tongues, scissors. These are a must. This I actually use a lot, and they're stainless steel, so they're not gonna rust. All right, and then this is to shape your dirt or ground, and you can always even clean some of the aquariums with it. So right now we just put in some soil on our aquarium. I'm gonna even it out too. You don't want to overdo it too much, because if you do, find their own roots down there. Look how beautiful the plants look right now. In a couple of days, we're gonna add our creatures. We're gonna dechlorize the water. This is perfect for offices, small enclosures, small areas, apartments. They're long. They're perfect for aquascaping if you're gonna start, or is as a hobby, or as your career, or as you just want to get these kind of tools to cut down some of your plants that you have in your aquarium. These are perfect.